Hi guys, I am Sarthak Bhardwaj with Swapna Sarthak Mohapatra, and today I am going to tell you some problems in our Indian education system. Do you know what is the average salary of professor in India? It's 32,000 rupees per month. But a professor in Harvard's earn 16 lakh rupees per month. Similarly, a pre-primary school teacher in India earns 20,000 rupees per month. But primary school teacher in USA earns 3,78,000 rupees per month. Do you know what are the main years for building a successful professional? They are the college years. And what are the main age for overall development? It is from 5 to 15 years. Then, how are we expecting our youth to compete with top countries when they don't have proper guidance in their crucial years? In India, people without any talent choose to become professor, and those who literally don't know anything choose to become pre-primary school teacher. As talented man will never choose to become professor. He can join a corporate where he can get the package of 50 to 60,000 rupees per month and can reach the package of 1 lakh per month, whereas to become professor one had to study 8 to 10 years and then he will get a salary of 32,000. Do you know that our Indian education system has made by Britishers so that we, the Indians, could work as clerk in their industries? Indian education system is made for students whose left part of the brain is stronger. Let me tell you, our human brain is made of two hemispheres, right and left. Students with strong left part are logical, good in maths, and made for corporate, whereas students with strong right parts are more creative, artistic, and don't work systematically. This one of the reason why students with unfulfilled desires attempt suicide because they were forced to study the stuff that their brain can't understand. It is biological process. So after counting problems, let's move to the solutions. The salary of professor and primary teacher must be increased, and then the level of requirement of becoming professor or pre-primary teacher must be increased, like they must have studied human psychology and behavior so they can understand the feelings and the psychological behavior of student. Second, it must be compulsory for parents to take their kids to psychiatrists so that it can be identified that which part of their brain is strong. Third, theme school for music, painting, etc. must be open so that students could pursue their dreams in these arts. So that's my point regarding Indian education system, which plays an important role in making good society and country. Thanks. This stuff is written and voiceovered by Sarthak Bhardwaj, and the editing and PPT is done by Swapna Sarthak. Thanks again.